Guys, we found a new car. It's a VW Golf 2010 1.4 petrol. I just came to my brother and we're going to check it. It's in Bristol, so it's very close to us. We'll see if it's worth buying. We won it on eBay for £850. The car is probably worth around £3,000 to £3,500 once it's fixed, but we obviously need to check if there is nothing else that's wrong with the car that's not been mentioned by the seller. So yeah, we'll see. Super.
We just checked the car, and this time we had to say no, and my brother explains why.
Main reason the owner had this car for 7 years, and we looked at it. It's been not looked after. It's been he's been driving with an engine light on for a couple months. Before that he had an engine light, and with another issue he's been driving and said he was fine. We could see he was topping up oil and had too much oil in the engine. Once it warmed up, we checked the levels and it's just basically above the marker. The engine has a knocking noise and oil coming up to the air intake system, which is most likely for these engines that pistons are broken or piston rings, and oil is just getting up to the air intake system. So unfortunately this time we just have to say no. It's a complete no-go. The cylinders could be scored. If the cylinders are scored as well, and he's been driving with broken pistons for a couple months, then it means we need the whole new engine, and we don't know unless we open the engine. It's just not worth it. The car, probably if we fix it, it's worth £2,500 to £3,000.
It means no profit. We're just gonna spend the time and
unless we would make it just for this video, but yeah, I don't think it's worth it. So we'll be looking for another car. Also, the car goes into limp mode, so yeah, it's a no-go for us this time.
Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More useful information coming soon. Okay, see you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.